Well, Tiffany and Felicia, just as they have throughout the entirety of this case so far, the Laundries chose to stay silent, not showing up to today's hearing and instead having their lawyer represent them in court. Much of the arguments today revolved around their choice to say nothing while Gabby was still missing and if they had a duty to her family to speak up. In a Sarasota County courtroom today, Gabby Petito's parents sat somberly as a judge listened to arguments to determine if their civil case will go to trial. They're accusing Christopher and Roberta Laundrie of intentional infliction of emotional distress. The lawsuit says the couple knew Petito was dead as authorities searched for her in September, but chose to say nothing, instead retaining a lawyer and cutting off contact with Petito's mom. In doing so, the lawsuit says they, quote, acted with malice or great indifference to their rights and, quote, exhibited extreme and outrageous conduct. The Laundrie's attorney filed a motion to dismiss the case before the hearing, claiming it's baseless under law.
My argument is that even if Brian Laundrie conveyed information to his parents, that they don't have a requirement then to speak with regard to that information. They don't have to share it.
During his arguments, the Petito family's attorney said the case wasn't only about the Laundrie's silence.
They didn't just remain silent. Brian Laundrie came home in Gabby Petito's van by himself to his family's home. That family, knowing that Gabby was dead, knowing their son had murdered her, knowing where the body was, and in particular, knowing that Joseph Petito and Nicole Schmidt were desperate to learn where their daughter was located, they went on vacation.
The Petito family is seeking damages of more than $30,000 and attorney's fees. After hearing arguments from both sides, the judge said he'll have a written decision on whether the case will go to trial within 2 weeks. Live in studio, Jay Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.